Hi, in this episode of Gear Matters, we are looking at two contrasting approaches towards packing luggage on a motorcycle and diving into a few tips that can be of great help irrespective of how you carry your gear on your two-wheeled adventures. To make this simpler to explain, we are going to look at the two extreme ends of the spectrum. For the purpose of the video, let's call Rider A the offbeat explorer. Probably a minimalist traveler who wants to be more adventurous with routes and derive more performance from their motorcycle during the trip. And Rider B, who we will refer to as the comfort cruiser. This is not to say that his or her appetite for adventure is any less, but it's probably more connected to everyday comfort zones. While a lot of people have strong opinions on one type of setup being better than the other, the truth is that much like there is no one perfect motorcycle for everyone, there is no one-size-fits-all solution to luggage setup and systems. But there are certainly some fundamental principles that offer value irrespective of what setup you may choose to use. Lighter is better. At ViaTerra, we are strong proponents of keeping motorcycles as light as possible in terms of accessories and luggage. Less weight on the bike means less impact to the way it handles and performs, which in turn makes it a lot nicer to ride. So, you should strive to make your preferred setup as light as you can. This could mean thinking about what you did not use on your last trip and carrying a little bit less on every subsequent trip, and also consistent and well thought out equipment upgrades that help you shrink your overall setup from one ride to the next. The second universal principle that we strongly advocate is to ensure that whatever luggage you carry is placed correctly on your motorcycle. So, if we had to give you a cheat sheet on how to load your motorcycle, we would recommend something like this. Place your heaviest luggage in saddlebags or panniers that sit equally balanced on either side of the motorcycle. If possible, use suitable luggage like a tank bag or frame bag towards the front of the motorcycle to bring some weight towards the front of the bike. Light bags or camping equipment can be carried on the pillion seat or a tail rack. However, if you are using an additional large tail bag, we recommend securing this on the pillion seat. Avoid loading any heavy luggage on the tail rack. If you travel light, you can obviously get away with more. You could, for example, carry all that you need in a tail bag instead of saddlebags for more convenience. But as the weight adds up, the difference is a lot more significant. To sum all of this up, choosing the right motorcycle luggage and using it correctly can make a world of a difference to your riding experience. And while there is no one best way to go about this, irrespective of wherever you fall in the spectrum, from the offbeat traveler to comfort cruiser, make sure that you are not working against your motorcycle in any way. If you are trying to find out more types of luggage that you can use on different types of motorcycles, you can explore our series of bike in focus videos that showcases various luggage options for specific motorcycles. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below or get in touch with us at viaterragear.com. Thanks for watching.